Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add extra baggage on Gulf Air. First, open your browser and go to gulfair.com. Once you're there, click on the Manage or Check-in option at the top of the page. You'll now need to enter your booking reference number and the last name on your ticket. Then click Manage to access your booking. From here, you'll see different options to manage your flight. Look for the add-on section. This is where you can purchase extra baggage. Choose how many extra kilos or bags you want to add. Then proceed to payment and complete the transaction. And that's it. That's how to add extra baggage on Gulf Air. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.